Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com. We get a lot of questions on how to change out the circular saw blade on a Q700. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly and efficiently change out your saw blade. Before handling your saw blade, make sure that you're wearing gloves and protective eyewear. With the tools provided in the package, take the smaller Allen key and remove the front cover, backing it out just enough to take the cover off. Lock your blade into place using the lever on the front of the machine, spinning it until it locks in place. With the larger Allen key, you can now break loose the bolt, securing the blade. With the bolt and the outer washer removed, remove the inner washer. Lift the blade guard up and remove your blade. With your new blade, pick the blade guard back up and place the new blade on the machine firmly against the back washer. Replace the inner set washer. Now replace the bolt and outer washer. Lock the blade back down with the lever in the front of the machine, spinning it until it locks in place. Take your larger Allen key and tighten your blade down. Now replace the front cover on the machine. Now that you have finished, take your old blade and put it back in the package to dispose of properly. I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and thank you for watching.